What if I told you that it was possible to earn anywhere from $10,000 to $15,000 every month, all from the comfort of your own home, without ever having to handle a physical product and starting with $0? Well, you can with the power of Etsy Print on Demand. Despite your level of experience or financial standing, I'm here to show you that anyone can start their own Etsy Print on Demand business from scratch. I'm sure many of you will be skeptical and think it's not possible, but seriously, Etsy Print on Demand is something that anybody can do. And at the very end of this video, I've got a special bonus. I'll be starting my own Etsy Print on Demand business in this video and walking you through every step of the process. So first of all, what is Etsy Print on Demand? Print on Demand is an amazing way to sell unique and custom products without having to deal with the hassle of inventory management. Here's how it works. You partner up with suppliers who offer white label products like t-shirts, phone cases, hats, and pretty much anything you can imagine. Then you get to unleash your creativity and put your own designs on those products, selling them under your own brand. Let's say you go to Etsy and search for graphic t-shirts. You'll be blown away by the endless options available. Pages and pages of amazing t-shirts, each with a unique graphic or text. That's the beauty of Print on Demand. You don't have to worry about managing, storing, or protecting any physical products because the products are only created once a sale is made. And once that happens, the supplier takes care of everything else. They print the product and send it directly to your customer. So you're ready to dive into the world of Etsy Print on Demand, but where do you start? The first step is to figure out what products you want to sell. My advice is to choose a specific niche, something that you can really focus on and excel in. Don't try to sell everything under the sun like dog clothing and towels, for example. Instead, focus on selling just one thing or choose products that make sense together or that are related in some way. Once you've figured out what you want to sell, it's time to get those creative juices flowing. You need to come up with the design ideas, and the best way to do that is to get inspired. There are so many great sources for design inspiration like Dribbble, Pinterest, and Design Inspiration, to name a few. But let's say you want to find some inspiration for hoodies. It's as simple as heading over to Pinterest and searching for hoodie inspiration or hoodie design. The possibilities are endless. Hundreds of unique hoodie designs will pop up and the ideas just keep coming as you scroll. Now, I know what you're thinking. You don't want to be accused of stealing someone's design. That's a big no-no. Let me clarify. There's a difference between stealing and being inspired. When you see something cool, like these hoodies, it can spark new ideas for your own designs. Take a look at this pin, for instance. It leads to an Etsy shop where you can see the hoodies being sold for $49. So I'm curious, I'm going to check out this seller's page. And what do you know? They specialize in selling hoodies. I'm just going to do a quick calculation here for fun, and it looks like they've made around 6,000 sales, each hoodie selling for approximately $49. So that's 6,000 multiplied by 49, which is $294,000 in sales from just Etsy alone. And here's the best part. This is mostly passive income. My guess is that they're using Etsy Print on Demand, which means all the hard work is done for them. They just have to come up with new hoodie designs every once in a while. But enough about this seller. Let's get back to what we're here for, designing your own products. So let's take the hoodie example we talked about earlier. To get inspired, we'll head over to rawpixel.com, then go to Elements, and you can see all these categories here, and then we will explore their PNG graphic elements, specifically the shape section. We can filter by free elements and scroll through until we find some shapes that catch our eye. And so I like these shapes right here, and so I'll go ahead and download it for free, and voila, we've just found the foundation for our hoodie design. But you might be thinking, how can I turn these shapes into a design? Well, let me show you. You'll want to head over to printify.com and you can access that by clicking the link in the description down below. Once we sign up for free, we'll be taken to this page. We'll have the option to order a sample product, connect our Etsy store to Printify, which we will do later, or start designing our custom product. And that's exactly what we'll be doing first. So from this page, we have a vast collection of customizable products, but today we're focusing on hoodies. So let's start by clicking on hoodies and then start designing. You'll see two different angles, the front side and the back side. Under Add Design From, we're going to select our device and upload the shapes we recently downloaded for free from RawPixel. With this tool, you can customize your design by adjusting the horizontal and vertical spacing, the angle, and even the offset. If we preview it, we can see it looks pretty good. You can use the same design on both sides or get creative and try something new. Let's add some excitement to the back of our hoodie. I'm heading over to unsplash.com, which if you don't know, it's an amazing website where all the images are 100% free to use for both personal and commercial purposes. images. I'm going to search for, how about a blue background? And then grab, I don't know, maybe this one right here. Once it's downloaded, I'll go back to Printify and upload the image. Then I'll click Fill to Placeholder and check it out. As you can see, this design is okay, but let's be real, it's not the most beautiful thing ever. The important thing is that it's super easy to create designs with Printify. It's simple to move around, easy to navigate, and if for some reason you don't like the design, it's just as easy to scrap it. Let's say you want a red hoodie with flowers on it instead. We'll head back to RawPixel, search for flowers, filter by free, and download this flower right here. Then we'll go back to Printify where we will upload the flower and follow the same pattern settings we did before. So let's spice things up and turn the background of this hoodie into a bold red hue. Let's take a look and see what it looks like. And there you have it. Maybe you're not a fan of patterns, no problem. How about creating a funky fruit-filled hoodie? Head over to unsplash.com, type in fruit, pick the first image that catches your eye, upload it to Printify, take a quick preview, and there you have it, a fruit hoodie. Maybe you're feeling adventurous. Maybe you're in the mood to put some random faces on your hoodie. Head back to Unsplash, search for face, pick your favorite, upload it, and take a look at the finished product. Can you imagine the reactions you'll get wearing this hoodie with faces of strangers? This could be your thing. It may sound wild, but trust me, no one has done it before and it's bound to make a statement. Okay, listen, I can continue with this, but let me tell you, you don't have to be a pro designer to make this work. All you need is some inspiration. Check out sites like RawPixel, Unsplash, Pexels, or Envato Elements for free images and graphics that you can incorporate into your products. Imagine you sell shirts and your specialty is showcasing square images of different foods from Unsplash on the shirts. And why not add the name of the food somewhere on the shirt too? The possibilities are endless, and these are just a few ideas to get you started. Okay everyone, it's time to learn how to seamlessly integrate Printify with your Etsy store. When someone places an order from your Etsy store, Printify takes care of everything from creating the product to shipping it directly to your customer. All you have to do is come up with the designs. First, you'll need an Etsy store. Setting it up is quick and easy. Simply go to etsy.com, scroll to the bottom of the page, and click on Sell on Etsy. After opening your Etsy shop, head over to printify.com and open your account, and I'm assuming you've already created an account. Click on My Store, and then Manage My Stores, and finally the Connect button. From there, you'll see Etsy as one of the top options. Connect it, agree to grant Printify access to your Etsy shop, and there you go. You'll be redirected back to Printify with a success message. Now you have the ability to effortlessly publish your products straight from your Printify account and have them instantly listed on your Etsy store automatically. To show you just how simple this process is, I'm going to walk you through creating my own Etsy store, making my first product on Printify, connecting my Printify account with my Etsy store, and demonstrate each step so you can see that anyone can start their own Etsy print-on-demand business. I want to show you how literally anyone can do this themselves. First, I'll create a new Gmail account specifically for this venture. Then I'll head over to Etsy and use that email to set up a new account and name my Etsy store. Once that's done, I'll move on to Printify where I'll use the same email address to sign up for a new account. Earlier, I shared the premise of my plan to sell unique food-themed t-shirts. To get started, I'll head to Unsplash where I can find a plethora of free images by simply searching for food. I've picked out this tasty image, and now it's time to get creative. I'll head to my Printify account, go to the shirts section, and import the image from Unsplash and add it to the t-shirt. From there, I might add the food name to the shirt design and make any minor tweaks to the design until I'm happy with the end result. I'll also kind of play around with the text here a bit, and I think I like this. And now with a click of a button, I'll save the product and I'm ready to go. So I'm doing all of this live so you can see for yourself that you don't have to overthink any of the steps involved and show you that it's not complicated. You don't need to stress about the design, the name of your business, or anything else. Just take action and you'll start seeing results. Of course, you can spend more time perfecting your designs if you want, but I'm showing you that it's possible to get started quickly and easily. So I've already created my first product and it's ready to sell on Etsy. So what's the next step? Now it's time to connect my Printify with my Etsy shop. As we discussed earlier, I'll go up here to my store and click the drop down here and head to the Manage Stores section in my Printify account and hit the Connect button. From there, I'll select Etsy and boom, our connection is made. All I have to do now is hit publish and my product will be listed on Etsy. But before we hit that button, let's take a moment to review the pricing. Printify might suggest a price, but I suggest taking a look at what similar products are selling for on Etsy. So in my case, I searched for graphic t-shirts art and found most were priced between $20 and $30. So I've priced my shirt at $19.99, and just like that, my product is now live on Etsy, all within just 5 minutes. Okay everyone, listen, I know that each and every one of you have the ability to take control of your life and make the change you've always wanted. I know it won't be easy, but with hard work and determination, the possibilities are endless. Along the way, there will be ups and downs, moments of self-doubt, but that's all part of the journey towards improvement. The journey towards a better life, more financial stability, and personal growth is never smooth sailing, but if you're committed to it, you'll overcome any obstacles that come your way. I believe in every single one of you and your potential to make a difference in your life. So let's embrace the journey, embrace the challenges, and make the change happen. Now, I know you're watching this video to learn how to make some money online, so here is another video that shows you 8 proven money tips for young adults to become millionaires. Thank you for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you in the next one. Take care.